In the hush of dawn, this episode tours a secluded rainforest mansion, where glass walls melt into emerald canopies and a crystal lagoon glimmers outside. Inside, sculpted stairs curve like art, sunlight drips through skylights, and custom timber finishes frame rooms that whisper of timeless luxury. The tour shifts to a boutique automotive pavilion, housing a rare hybrid hypercar, its lines synchronized with the home's organic curves. Muted tones, tactile textures, and subtle water features create a serene soundtrack as attendants guide viewers through private galleries and spa sanctuaries. As the tour concludes, the camera lingers on the terrace where infinite edge vistas meet tranquil waters, inviting contemplation of refined living and quiet reflection.